Hi friends, today we are going to learn lesson number 1.4. Have you thought of the verb have? How many times do you use the verb have in your conversations or writing? Try to keep a count of it for an hour or so. What do you find? Yes, means we are whenever we are going to discuss about the verb have, whenever we use in our communications or in our writing, we use it many times. If you think or if you count it for an hours or so, we get the information about it. We use it within an hours. Lot of what do you find then? Yes, I am going to tell you. Perhaps you have always thought of this versatile verb as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb as we call it. Yes, means how it plays various roles we use in a different way while we are speaking. The helping verb have is used to form what we call perfect tense. Yes, helping verb we use in our language when we speaking about the perfect tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and even future perfect tense. We use this helping verb have. Then, if you make any sentence of perfect tenses, yes, they have come, they have come. I had clean forgot I had clean forgotten all about it. And to make negative sentence, they haven't come. I hadn't forgotten it. But as a main verb, it is used to mean much more than you think. Look here, this verb, helping verb, we use in our perfect tense. They have come, isn't it? With subject have plus V3. Next sentence, he has come. She has come. Hmm? I have eaten. I have eaten. They have returned. They have completed their works. So we use in this sentence auxiliary verb have and subject have plus V3. This is the constructions of sentence. Then it plays various roles. Look here. Have has a different form. Have, has, and had. Generally, we use have and has in present perfect tense. For the first persons, I, for it we use have. I have completed my work. I have taught them. I have learned it. Isn't it? Then about the third persons, we use has form. Then she has completed her work. Yes, he has learned. He has taught me. Like this way, we think about the second person. Yes, you have come. Like this. Then in the past perfect tense, have form is had. Then how do you make this sentence? I had clean forgotten all about it. Yes, I had clean means has form. In the past perfect tense we use had and v3. Okay, and while we are making this negative sentence we use not. Look here, there are given the sentence they have come. Then how do you make this sentence in negative form? They haven't come. Yes. Second, I hadn't forgotten it. But as a main verb, it is used to mean much more than you think. Yes. Before it, I told you have is very important verb, and it's play very important role. In another way, we can say that it is a versatile verb. Versatile means all rounder. We use in differently in our communications, in our conversations. Okay. So here are a few examples we are frequently listen here. have here use in the following sentence have indicate possessions. Possessions, what is mean by possessions? Possessions means to own, our ownership of something. Look here, number one sentence there are given, my friend has a pet cat. My friend has a pet cat, it means here what is possessions? His pet cat is possessions. Okay, it shows, has shows his possession means the cat belong to his own, his friends. वो जो cats है वो cats किसके? his friends, my friends cats, his cats belong to my friends. Okay, then number two sentence there are given, I have a new pens. Yes, I have a new pens. मेरे पास पेन है. Yes, pen means pen is belong to me. it has it has it, it has depend on me, it has belong to me. Then नंबर थ्री सेंटेंस, डू यू हैव ए साइकिल? क्या आपके पास साइकिल है? हाउ मीन्स यस, हाउ शोज अस आवर ओनरशिप, possession shows us. Number four sentence, our school has 6 computer ownerships. Yes, Jnanada school has a lot of computers. Jnanada school has its own building, isn't it? Yes, Jnanada school के पास बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर्स है. ज्ञानदा स्कूल हैज लॉट ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स एंड इवन इट हैज laboratory. So this is the ownership. Number five sentence, the municipality has 6 vans and 2 cars. Even it shows the exact figure. In this sentence, how use have and how use has. Let's see. My friend has a pet cat. My friend here it is the third person. My friend has a third person, so that's why use here my friend plus has use here. Means when we use has, when we speaking about the third person, then we use has. Okay, in the second sentence what we have seen, I have means yes, I is the first person. So when we speaking about ourselves, then we use I plus have. Okay, then do you have a cycle? In the third sentence we are speaking about the second person, isn't it now? So that's why we use here do you have a cycle. क्या आपके पास साइकिल है? Have use means we use first person I plus have, second second person second person plus have, and third person plus have we use like this way. Okay, then when we use have to refer to event, activities and experience. Okay, the next rule of have, it tells, we use it for showing events, for showing activities and experience. The first sentence it is here, I am going to have to a bath, sorry, I am going to have a bath in the rivers. Yes, let us have a party for your birthday. The class has a short break at 11 a.m. Did you have a good time at the wedding? I have a meeting this evening. What do you know? Yes, we realize that whenever we speaking about events, whenever speaking about activities, and whenever we gain the experience, when we achieve the experience, we use at that time have. In the first sentence, I have going to have a bath in the river. Yes, what shows activities. Here which is the activity? For going to bath, this is the activity. So that's why here use in the first sentence activity shows So that's why we use have. Next sentence, let us have a party for your birthday. What shows there? It shows event shows here. Let's have a party for your birthday. Birthday, it is the event, so that's why we use here event, birthday party. So this is the event. So for that we write here, we mention the event, we use have. In the third sentence also, the class has a short break at 11. What is here? The class has a short break at 11. Here also shows event, isn't it? Number 4 sentence, do you have a good time at the wedding? Here also shows event. I have a meeting this evening. Yes, events also shows there. So we realize that when we use for showing, we use have for showing event, activities and experience. Okay, next we